Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to use Google Calendar on your browser. And the first thing that I will need you to do now is to open your Google Calendar web portal and then just follow these simple steps. So Google Calendar is just some calendar application, and it is so simple to use. All you have is your days, and here you will have your calendars. And basically calendars are just containers, or they are just group of tasks, events, etc. So now all we need to do, let's have for example this date, and here you will have your calendars. Basically if we want to add something, you will click on the day and you will have this thing. Either you are going to have a task or anything, reminder, or any event. And basically let's have for example an event, a meeting or a class or whatever it was. Then you will be able to add the time, so you click on save and now it will be here applying or previewing here. And also you can give it some colors, you can give it a description if you want, you can add guests to it, you can do multiple things to the meeting. And basically the more you are having more time to this meeting, it will be larger. So also you can add for example some frequency to it, and as you can see it can repeat either daily, weekly, or monthly, or you can have just a custom frequency. And by that, each week we are going to see this meeting repeating. So let's go to edit event, let's make it repeated quickly, and each week we are going to see that the meeting is repeated. Also you can change its dates of finishing or its duration. You can this in the following events, all the events, and as you can see now they are prolonging in the view. Also, as I said, you can have some group of calendars. So basically when you create a meeting, you may choose the calendar where you want it to be contained. So let's make it on shared. I'm going to save, and now as you can see I have shared on my calendars, and when I'm going to check this out and check it, it will disappear all this meeting, because this meetings, all those meetings are contained on the shared calendar. So basically you can organize your work by that. For example, you are going to have your personal calendar, your birthdays. Those are just some default calendar created by Google Calendar. You can have your own tasks calendar. You can have, for example, your dates calendar, your meetings calendar. You can have as many as you want to organize your work. So basically that was an overview on how to use Google Calendar. Thank you for watching and see you next time.